Welcome to everyone. I am Mrs. K. Kritika, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python programming and practices. In this, I am going to discuss the concept of strings. In generally, strings are data types in Python. We can mention the as str. They represents the sequence of characters. In generally, Python does not support the character type data type. In strings, that will be enclosed by using the single quotes or double quotes. The single quotes and double quotes both are equivalent. In strings, backslash will be considered as escape the quotes or special characters. This is the example for creating the strings. Name equal to, within the quotes, I am giving the sequence of characters. Whenever I am printing the statement, it displays the characters present inside the strings. For reading purpose, we use the print statement. For finding the length of the string, I have uses the predefined keyword as len. So len is a function that gives the number of strings present inside the string variable. That is, that gives the number of characters present inside the strings. In this example, you can see that the name that having the values of INTRO space TOPITHON. Now I have to find out the number of characters present inside the list. For finding the number of items present in the list, I have uses the length keyword, length of lane. The characters present inside the strings are 15. For single, the only one character will be presented. For empty, there is no value inside the string. For /n, that gives and provides the new line. Concatenation and repetition. In Python, plus and multiply symbols are used for concatenation and multiplications. Plus symbol is mainly used for concatenations of strings, and multiply symbol is used for repeating the strings in the n number of times, and it also used for functions and operator overloading. Concatenation and repetitions. In this example, you can see that details equal to name plus discrim. So name that contains the value of intro to Python, and this that having the values of first course. Second example is print punishment. The punishment values I won't fly paper, airplanes in a classes. Now I want to repeat the statement or multiply the statement into 5 times. So I have to mention these multiply symbol into 5 times. Second, third operation is indexing. So strings can be indexed. The first character has index value of 0. For consider name equal to ACDS. So name of 0 equal to A. Whenever I am printing the position of name of 3 is D. For hello of 1, the second element. For in this you can consider that 0 is a position that contains the value of H, and 1 position that contains the value of E. And negative indices also available in strings. Negative indices are started from -1. In this example, you can see that ACDS, the DS that contains the negative indexing -1, that will be started from the last value, -1, -2, -3, up to the starting point of the string. Using an index that is too larger or too small to result in the out of range. So whenever we are giving the out of range, it shows the error like string index out of range. Slicing. Slicing means updating the substring. So for updating the substring, we have to give the start value and end value. The both start and end value are optional. The start value will be omitted. It will be defaultly can be considered as 0. When end value will be omitted, the default length of the string will be considered. In this, I can slice the values of 0 to 3, 3 and that is end of 3 and starting of 3. I concatenate through two different extracted values, and I extracted using the length of the name, and finally I extract all the elements present inside the strings. For first example, you can see that 0 is a starting value, 3 is a ending value. In second example, starting value cannot be given, so 0 will be considered as a starting value. And third example, you can see that 3 is a start value will be given, and end value default it can be considered as n minus 1. After that, you can concatenate two different strings, and next example you can see that length of name, the total length of the name is 5, up to 5 it will be displayed, and finally it displays all the elements. For more slicing, you can understand about the indices. For ACADS, for positive indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be considered. For negative indexing -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. The -1 is in negative indexing, that will be started from the end of the string, and for positive indexing for 0 it will be created in the starting of the value. Hope you understand about the strings and strings operations and string indexing and slicing. Thank you.